Welcome to our Premiere Pro CC Video Editing for Beginners course, and thanks for enrolling. This course will take you from the very beginning of opening Premiere Pro all the way to completing an edit and exporting your final video. My name is Will, and throughout my career I've edited well over 1,000 projects. I've been a cinematographer and editor for over 10 years and a content creator for over 15. I run an established video production company based out of Toronto and an online business where we've trained over 130,000 people across a wide range of courses. We will cover everything from the various panel windows, file organization, sequence presets, editing clips together, working with audio and titles, color correction, keyboard shortcuts, exporting, and much more. Beyond that, I've included several lessons on video editing terms and definitions so that you can have a better understanding of professional video editing. My intentions with this course are to teach you all of the necessary functions within Premiere Pro and all of the various concepts behind video editing. These are very important and required in order to get yourself eventually to an advanced level. While you make your way through this course, I'll be available to answer any questions you have, so just reach out in the comments section with any questions. And again, if you don't have Premiere Pro, you can download a free 30-day trial off Adobe's website. Thanks again for enrolling, and let's get started.